musical doodle. Round and round the record spins all day. Listen again, it takes you far away. Trying to stop it is futile, so just listen now to my musical doodle. Think you control it, but it's way too hard. Every time it plays, it's an electric charge. The sound in your head is brutal. Now you're infected by the musical doodle. Do 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 do. You're gonna listen again to the musical doodle. The song that you ran from it back again. You wonder if the madness will ever end. Trying to stop it is futile, so just listen now to my musical doodle. Do 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 musical doodle. Listen again to the musical doodle.
And that's the new song by the Sonars called Musical Doodle.
Mr. Sun came up and he smiled at me. Said it's gonna be a good one, just wait and see. Jumped out of bed and I ran outside, feeling so extra ecstatified. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. I'm so busy, got nothing to do. Spent the last 2 hours just tying my shoe. Every flower, every grain of sand is reaching out to shake my hand. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. Sometimes the little things start closing in on me. When I'm feeling down, I wanna lose that frown. I stick my head out the window and I look around. Those clouds don't scare me, they can't disguise this magic that's happening right before my eyes. Soon Mr. Moon will be shining bright, so the best day ever can last all night. Yeah, the best day ever's gonna last all night now. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. It's the best day
Gary, now I know I was wrong. I messed up and now you're gone. Gary, I'm sorry I neglected you. Oh, I never expected you to run away and leave me feeling this empty. Your meow right now would sound like music to me. Please come home, 'cause I miss you, Gary. Gary, come home.
goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers. Goofy, goofy, goober, goober. Put your toys away. Well, all I gotta say when you tell me not to play, I say no way. No way, no, 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 no way. I'm a kid, you say. When you say I'm a kid, I say it again. And then I say thank you very much. So if you're thinking that you'd like to be like me, go ahead, try. The kid inside will set you free. I'm a goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers. Goofy, goofy, goober, goober, yeah.
Oh, baby, they may call me a fool, but I can't help our gravitational pull. When I stuff you with cotton candy, it reminds me you're so sweet. When we go riding, it's dandy, the way you hang onto the seat. Baby, when I'm with you, our love is stronger than glue. Whoa! Oh, baby! There isn't anything, there's nothing in the world I wouldn't do for you. Hey! Let go of her, you pet eaters! No! Get away! Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Wah-cha! Hi-ya! Hi-ya-cha! Wah-cha! Ya-ya! Wah-cha! 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 Ya! Hi-ya-ya-ya-ya-ya! Patty? You okay, sweetums? I'm so sorry. I'll never let you out of my sight again, and I'll always keep you out of harm's way. Oh, baby, I love you so strong. That's why I'm singing this song. Your looks are sweeter than honey, from your pickles to your buns. It ain't even funny. Coming for you! Oh no! Look at you! Don't worry, Patty. I'll take care of this. There you go. All better. Oh, baby.